In this lesson, we will see together les pronoms compléments d'objet indirect, but more precisely, we will see nous. So let's see together what are les pronoms compléments d'objet indirect. And the first thing, they are used to replace nouns that refer to people or things that receive the action of the verb. This is really, really important. So let's agree on that. These nouns that they will replace will receive the action of the verb in the sentence. And the second thing that is extremely important, they are called indirect because they will replace nouns that are introduced by the preposition a. So these nouns that they will replace receive the action of the verb and are introduced by the preposition a. So this is what we call les pronoms compléments d'objet indirect. So this lesson is about nous. And the indirect object pronoun nous can be translated into various ways in English, such as to us, for us, or simply us. So we will see some examples with nous. Elle nous raconte une histoire passionnante. Elle nous raconte une histoire passionnante. Le professeur nous donne des devoirs chaque semaine. Le professeur nous donne des devoirs chaque semaine. Tu nous prépares un gâteau? Tu nous prépares un gâteau? La ville nous offre de nombreuses activités culturelles. La ville nous offre de nombreuses activités culturelles.